Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You are watching Sassy Sana YouTube channel. Recently I purchased lots of product from Meesho. Today I want to do sari haul video and all the products from Meesho. Yes, festive seasons are coming soon, so I ordered lots of ethnic wear. All the products are extremely good. Watch the video up to the last, then you only get to know about the products. Now let's jump into the haul video. Before starting the video, if you don't know about Meesho app, this is India's #1 reselling app. You can buy the product, you can sell the product, actually you can start your own business from this app. It has all the categories. Easily you can earn 25 to 30,000 per month. And if you want to find something particularly, it is very easy. Just see. Just take a screenshot, whatever you like, and upload that image. If you like anything from my video, you just take a screenshot and upload that image, you will get the similar product. They will deliver the products within 7 days. I will give you one tips. Just read the review before purchasing, so it will be helpful for your purchasing. Now select your product. Now if you want to purchase for you, then enter the same amount. If you want to sell it, just add your profit amount with that and we are done. Delivery, refund, everything Meesho will take care of that. You don't need to do anything. After payment, after delivery, within 3-4 days you will get your amount. Now enjoy the haul video. I am so happy with the purchase from Meesho. Price, quality, everything on top. My first purchased, this is yellow color saree with pink border in that golden jari work. Full body yellow color. This is cotton silk blend saree. It came with running blouse, pink color blouse with golden border, full body yellow color, and this is cotton blend silk saree. See the pallu here, pink and yellow stripe work, so beautiful. You can wear it as regular or office के लिए और छोटा मोटा कुछ occasion. So beautiful and price for only 348. So amazing this one. Newly married bride, any puja occasion, you can wear this saree. It will look so good because yellow and red like pinkish border. It will look so good and attractive. Now next saree, this is cotton saree, orange in color, 5.5 meter saree. See the border, complete jari work, full body plain, orange color. See the blouse piece, running blouse, orange color and golden border. Quality also so good, this will not look cheap, really very nice saree. Now see the pallu, beautiful this one, orange and golden jari work, stripe pattern. This is very bright color saree, like whenever you will wear this one, you will get the compliment, sure. It will look so good. And this one only price for 230. I'm not kidding, seriously. I love plain saree with border. You must try this kind of saree, it will look so good. If you style this kind of saree with a contrast blouse, it will look more good and attractive. Now next one, this one handloom cotton saree. Plain saree, full body yellow color, plain body. And solid jari work all over the body. Small stone, golden thread jari work all over the body. Running blouse piece. As you can see in pallu, full golden jari work. This saree is so soft, soft handloom cotton saree, so manageable. This one only price for 430 rupees. Can you imagine? Yes, this one only price for 430 rupees. So soft saree, it will look so good on you. I absolutely love this saree. And it has so many other color options. If you wear nicely, it will always give you perfect shape. And you know what? If you're a short girl like me, if you wear this kind of plain saree, it will give you some kind of illusion. You will look tall. And in plain saree as well as you will look slim too. It will give you professional look. As you can see, I clicked lots of picture with this saree. Now this is Banarasi Kanjivaram silk saree, one of my favorite saree. See the pallu, beautifully work. Full jari work. This is red border. It will not look cheap. See the finishing. So nicely they made this saree. Oh my god. And this is the body. Red border, full golden jari work. Full saree, complete saree, blue and golden jari work. Flower, small flower work, red border. It has so many color option also. And you know what? Good part is this saree cost for 620 rupees. Can you imagine? Kanjivaram saree cost for 620 rupees. And I must say they are maintaining the quality. Quality wise so good. It's not like 620 rupees means they are giving any cheap quality saree. Not like that. Very good. Very finishing wise very nice. Quality also very nice. You can see blue saree full golden jari work and red border. It came with running blouse piece. Blue and red border. And sorry guys, I'm not wearing this saree because I took it for Durga Puja. I will wear that time only. This is so amazing saree, perfect for festival season. Any festival, wedding guest, anytime you can wear this saree. This is so perfect. So beautiful this saree. Actually color and everything combination is very beautiful. When you will wear this saree, oh my god, it will look so bright. It will look so gorgeous on you. Trust me, this is very nice saree. As you can see, just see this saree. And I love the pallu. See the work. This one only for 620. Last year I ordered same saree from some boutique. And they charged 1500 rupees. Red border white saree as you can see. This is also nice saree. But this year I got from Meesho only for 650 rupees. Same saree. This saree also available there. All the colors are available in the Meesho. I am so happy with the purchase. Now this one my favorite one. And seriously it came with mask. This is soft jamdani saree. Pure cotton soft jamdani saree. Full bodied polka dot print. This saree is very soft. I took this for festive season. This is very perfect for Durga Puja I think. Now see the border. Full thread work. Thread and jari work. So amazing this one guys. Seriously I'm telling this is my favorite one. And separate blouse piece. Magenta pink color. Separate blouse piece. Polka dots are very trending right now. And Jamdani mein polka dots it's like oh my god. Win-win situations. This is very nice saree. And this is the pallu as you can see. Complete thread work and jari work. So nice. Amazing saree. And this one only for rupees 1000. Yes. Oh my god, I can't wait seriously. I think you are understanding my emotions. When everything will be fine and when we can go out. This is so amazing saree. I want to wear this saree seriously in this puja. This is so amazing. Pure soft saree. I can't manage with this saree, you know. I am not like that person. I am very short person. I can't manage with the heavy cotton saree. But this one is so perfect. I can manage with this. Very soft jamdani. I like this saree so much. And guys, this has so many other color option also. You can check out over there. This saree is so good, I'm telling you, you will not regret. By the way, all product code in the description box, you can check over there. And the last one, this is handloom batik printed cotton saree. And this one only for rupees 250. Yes, this is handloom saree, batik printed red and white combinations and in border yellow color piping. Yes. And this is so amazing saree, so soft, everyday use के लिए, regular use के लिए very perfect. And in the corner it has small tassel work. It came with a white running blouse piece. This is plain printed cotton saree. It will look good if you wear with the contrast blouse like red color का blouse के साथ. It will look so good. All over the body same print. They are actually maintaining the quality. This is not at all transparent. Good quality saree. As you can see here, I think according to the price they are okay. This quality also good, nice saree. Please check my description box. I mentioned all the code over there. And guys, this video is not at all sponsored. I purchased from Meesho and I liked the product. So I am giving my review. I think it is helpful for you. Everything I purchased by my own money. This red and white printed saree with this yellow piping, it's giving me a puja vibes. See the beauty of this saree, it is so amazing. For anyone, this saree will look so good. Okay guys, that's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And as well as hit the notification bell please. Let me know in the comment section down which saree you like most. Please watch my other haul video, link in the description box. Now guys, please give me one like and one share for this wearing and changing saree. Please subscribe to my channel. I am Sana signing off for today. Lots of love, stay safe, stay in home. See you soon in my next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye. Thanks for watching. Thank you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Take care everyone. Thanks for watching.